Review Park's presents. Best Top 10 Fishing Kayak. Number 1. Great for rivers and lakes. PAC, portable accessory carrier, can be used as extra storage. Large, comfortable seating area with protective thigh pads. Number 2. One-person sit-on-top fishing kayak, 9 feet, 42 pounds, fishing and rec kayak, perfect for throw-and-go fishing. Includes 4 flush mount rod holders, V-wave center hatch and storage wells in the bow and stern of the kayak. Built-in ergonomic backrest and cushion. Number 3. Great for lakes and rivers and to get to those excluded fishing spots. Lightweight, easy to carry. Tracks and paddles with ease while offering maximum stability. 2 flush mount rod holders, and 1 swivel rod holder. Number 4. Rudder control, features a foot pedal-operated rudder, for ultimate control in all water conditions and without paddle steering required. Hull weight, empty, 68 pounds, max load capacity, 450 pounds. Hull length, 11 foot 6 inch 138 inches, width, 34 inches, height, 20 inches, seating capacity, 1, UV protection. Number 5. 18-gauge PVC construction is rugged for lake use, NMMA certified. 1000D tarpaulin bottom and 840D nylon cover provide durable protection from punctures. Multiple air chambers allow another chamber to stay inflated if one is punctured. Airtight system is guaranteed not to leak. Number 6. 7 rod holders. The Brooklyn Kayak Company BKCL 181 Taka sit-on-top tandem kayak features 3 articulated fishing rod holders and 4 flush-mounted rod holders. Get multiple lines in the water at once and get more bites. Waterproof storage hatches. Number 7. Built to last. Constructed with a rotomeld injected body to ensure your kayak will never crack or puncture and will last for years to come. Easy to transport. 2 carry handles allow for convenient transportation. Fits easily in the bed of a truck or a trailer. Number 8. Stable, comfortable fishing kayak. Wheel in the keel for easy transport and integrated bow, stern and side carry handles. Handy flip-up console for lures, measures 13.5 long, 6.5 wide at its widest point, and 5.5 deep. Number 9. Ergonomic cockpit design enhances balance and motor skills. Molded finger handles on each side of the kayak. Reverse chine for enhanced stability with swim-up step. Lightweight 18 pound. Design 130 pound. Weight capacity. Number 10. Blow molded from high-density polyethylene for superior strength and durability, backed by a 5-year limited manufacturer warranty. Designed to seat up to 3 people, 500 pound weight capacity.